Imagine if you could unlock new liquidity from your crypto assets tied up in staking or yield farming. Liquidity that's transferable across blockchain networks, so you could engage in more investment opportunities while earning ultra-high yield. With RAMP, the multi-chain DeFi protocol, you can. Using RAMP, you simply deposit your crypto assets in vaults that auto-compound to optimize your returns. While earning yields, you can extract extra liquidity because RAMP lets you mint RUSD, a collateralized stablecoin against your asset deposits. Use your RUSD instantly on automated market makers to buy new token assets with strong growth potential. While your original holdings generate passive income, your minted RUSD can be transferred seamlessly across blockchain networks to target profit opportunities. Stake, earn high yields, and borrow liquid capital simultaneously in just a few clicks on RAMP DeFi. Get started at appv2.rampdefi.com.